Hey everyone, I've just started learning After Effects, and I'm creating a series where I'll share each step I learn so we can explore and grow together. For today's lesson, I'll show you how I animated text in just a few seconds. First, create a new composition, 1920 by 1080. Name it whatever you like. I'll call mine text_animation. Next, grab the text tool and type anything you like. I'll type OneStep Odyssey, then align it to the center. Expand the text layer settings. Click Animate and choose Position. Then click Add and select Opacity. Set the starting values. Increase the second position value to 100 and set Opacity to 0. Under Range Selector 1 and set Offset to +100. Now expand Advanced Settings. Change Shape to Ramp Up, Ease High to 50%, and Ease Low to 100%. Before previewing, enable Motion Blur, and that's it. A smooth text animation created in seconds. Follow at OneStep Odyssey to keep learning After Effects step by step with me.